Editing the text. Making changes in the existing text is called editing the document. You can insert, delete, and change the text by using different features in Word. Let us learn about the various editing tools of Word 2016. Selecting text. To make changes in the existing text, we need to select it. Look at the selected text in the given image. Let us learn the methods to select text. Selecting text using a keyboard. To select a letter on the right or left of the cursor, press Shift plus right arrow or Shift plus left arrow. To select one line up or down, press Shift plus up arrow or Shift plus down arrow. To select a word on the right of the cursor, press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. To select a word on the left of the cursor, press Ctrl plus Shift plus left arrow. To select the entire document, press Ctrl plus A. Selecting text using a mouse. To select a word, double-click on the word. To select a line, click on the left margin next to the line. To select a sentence, click the left button of the mouse while holding the Ctrl key. To select a paragraph, click the left button of the mouse thrice on that paragraph. Deleting text. If you have made a mistake while typing the text, you can easily remove the text by using either the backspace or delete key. For using the backspace key, place the cursor to the right of the text and press key. The character to the left of the cursor gets deleted. You can use Ctrl plus backspace key to delete the word to the left of the insertion point. For using the delete key, place the cursor to the left of the text and press delete key. The character to the right of the cursor gets deleted. You can use Ctrl plus delete keys to delete a word on the right of the cursor. To remove large text such as a sentence or paragraph, select it using any method or press backspace or delete key. Inserting text. While typing, you may find it necessary to add some more text to an already written document. You can easily insert new text into your document. To insert the text, place the pointer at the required position where you want to insert the text and click. Insertion point or cursor appears on the screen to indicate the position where the inserted text will appear. You can now type the new text. Cutting text. Cutting the text means the selected text will disappear from its original location and will appear at another location where it is pasted. To cut or move the text, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text you want to move. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on Cut command. 4. Go to the required place where you want to paste it. 5. Click on Paste command. Copying text. Copying the text means the selected text will remain at its original location as well as at the place where it is pasted. To copy or duplicate the text, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text you want to copy. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on Copy command. 4. Go to the required place where you want to paste it. 5. Click on Paste command. Undo or redo.
Undo is used to cancel the command. Redo is used to reverse the action of the last command.
To undo, click on the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. To redo, click on the Redo button on the Quick Access toolbar. Spell check. Whenever we type in Word, we may do some mistakes, but don't worry. We can get error-free documents by using the Spelling and Grammar Check feature in Word. In Word, spelling mistakes are shown by a red wavy line and grammatical mistakes by a blue wavy line. Check spelling and grammar through right-click. If you see a red wavy or blue wavy line under a word, right-click on it. Choose and click the correct spelling or word from the suggestions to replace the incorrect word. To correct the spelling and grammatical error in the text, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Review tab. 2. Select Spelling and Grammar tool. 3. Double-click the word with the correct spelling. After you change the spelling, it will display the grammar correction. Similarly, you can change the grammar correction and apply changes. Thesaurus. While creating a document, you might require a word with a similar meaning. We can use thesaurus to find a synonym for a word in the document. To use the thesaurus, follow the given steps. 1. Select the word. 2. Click on the Review tab. 3. Click on the Thesaurus tool. 4. Move the cursor on the word you want to use. Click the down arrow and select Insert or Copy option.